Horsley Park Farms, heading up to the Horsley Drive, just over the back of work. Quad and dog and trailer, earthworks, mentioned in the Sydney Dragway, Sydney Raceway upgrades, loads of earthworks, trailers getting that soil moved, whatever it is they're doing in terms of the upgrade around here. Coming up to some of the farms now, left and right. Might even spot a kangaroo, it's still a bit bright. Lambs Farm Fresh on the right. Not sure if they're all owned by the same group or what. There's about half a dozen of them. Son's Fresh Farm on the right. Got some bananas on the left, I believe. Who's this? Fenech Fresh Eggs. West Side Growers. West Side. Come on, I'm sure I'm not the only one that had Ali G pop into their head reading that. And Heng Fresh Farm on the right.